This is a French Bulldog. They come in all different shapes and sizes. They grow to be about 1 foot tall or 304.8 millimeters. Their personality traits are they are effective, good with children and dogs, opening to strangers. They don't care if it's a stranger, they just go to them. They're super playful. They're highly adaptable but stubborn, smart. Those two don't mix well. Energetic or slash and couch potatoes. Some of them are both, some of them are one or the other. And they usually don't bark. They sh- their their care routine is that they shed a lot, but not that much. So it's kind of in the middle. You need to groom them monthly. They sometimes drool, but not as much as you think. They're smooth and short. At least their coat. Their coat is smooth and short. They play. You have to play with them very often because they are just like an energy ball. And they like food. Don't forget about the food. They can be about. This guy needs to put his happy birthday mask on. They can be. Their average lifespan is 10 to 12 years old. And they usually weigh 17 to 28 pounds or 7 to 12 kilograms. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, well, like it and subscribe. Bye.